Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we got something a little different. Got this real nice, highly detailed dragon print here. Now he did print in 4 parts, each wing, and then the main body, 5 parts. The head and the tail were all separate. Now he's pretty large if you look in comparison here to this nice knight warrior we got here with the sword and the horned helmet. He's pretty big, pretty good size. Now he did print this one with a little bit of a funky wing, so gotta mess around with the supports and see if I can't fix that. But yeah, he's just got really nice detail all along the neck here, and on the wings you can really see the texture there. Nice horned tail, and yeah, there's also this little warrior here we got printed. Really nice, high detailed chest plate and helmet with the horns, turned out really nice. Holding a nice sword there with some battle damage on his shield, if my camera will focus. It's not going to. There we go. Got some sword slashes there. And yeah, just a really cool couple of sets ready to go.